Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds LENOVO ThinkPlus XT92 from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the third line we have a button, Disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list. And in the future you can reconnect your earbuds. When you select to unpair them, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you need this, just select Forget this device button. But let's disconnect them, and as I said, I just stop Bluetooth connection with them, but still have them at the device list, and I can easily reconnect them. I just tap on them, if this earbuds not connected with another device, of course. So we have connection, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!